In this video, we are going to create a function in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we want to create a function in Python. Hit find and see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top one. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to print a string. This part of the code is to define a function. Now let's run the code. And you have created a Python function. You can find many more code snippets for your requirements on Kandi. The link to the Kandi is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial and follow us to get more tutorials.